Here is Adeline going on the playground, or the playground, I guess. And she's going to go down the slide. There she goes. Now mommy's gotta run over to this side. Adeline, say hi. Hi. Come over. It's like a huge obstacle course. Okay, she's almost through. Mommy's gotta run over to this side again. Where's Adeline? There she is. Yeah. Okay, Adeline, you ready to come down? You ready? Here she comes. Here she comes. Woo! Yay!